Hello everyone, it's Alta. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to make the wand of the first Queen of Nuni. This one exactly on the screen right now. I really love this design, so without further ado, let's get into the materials you're going to need to create this little nice wand. You're going to need a styrofoam ball, some foam sheets, a sheet of fleece which is white, a stick, a wooden stick, a bit of air dry clay, and a lot of hot glue. So these are the paints that I used. I would not recommend the turquoise one, it was horrible. You're also gonna need the white vinyl glue, and you're gonna need some ribbons. I used nice silk ribbons, they're not real silk, and I ironed them. Here you get the difference between an iron one and a not ironed one. This is what I recommend. Please iron your ribbons or have someone iron them for you, because they look a lot better. Okay, the first step is to get your little wooden stick and cut it into the length that you want. I wanted mine to be, my hand, and also get halfway into my styrofoam ball. And this is what I came up with. After that, poke it into your bowl. It's easy to poke styrofoam. And after that, take it out and put a little bit of hot glue in the end, put it back in, and it will stay there forever. After this, we're gonna need to make our handle a little bit more thick. So take one sheet of foam, which you don't care about the color, just don't use a good color, and wrap it around. This is how it looks like. And because I wanted it to be a little more neat, I took a piece of paper and wrapped it around this so it was a little more overall smooth. Would I recommend this? You don't need to do that, it didn't make anything better, but you can do this if you want. After that, I just coated it in a lot of layers of vinyl glue. Mod Podge would be better for that. Then I painted the ribbons with the pink fuchsia color. Please don't do this right like I did it here. I'm gonna show you the right pink color that you need to use a little later, because this dried red. I tinted my little glue pink so that you can see that I covered it fully right here. It was pretty smooth, and then I painted it all white to prime it for paint. After you prime it with white, you need to again coat it in layers of the white glue. This is just to make sure it keeps on smooth. What you see me do here with the water is that I smooth out the glue with the water and the brush. Just dip the brush in and smooth it out. It's gonna take longer to dry, but it's really worth it because it dries super smooth. After that, I just coated the whole thing with the turquoise paint. I hate this paint, it was not drying at all. Oh my god. For the really light pink details, I used yellow, fuchsia, and white paint to make this little concoction. And I painted the 3 stripes as well as the dots around the wand. Make sure to evenly space out the dots so that your diamonds fit in and look really nice. And here it is, all nice. And now we're gonna make the pink diamonds that go around. I just sketched some triangles on the pink foam. Doesn't matter the color, I painted them anyways. And I'll just cut them out with a craft knife. Be sure not to cut yourself with this because it hurts a lot. And after that, I just used 4 triangles to form each of the diamonds. The amount of diamonds you use depends on how many spaces you got among your dots. And that's how you paint them. That's the right paint, guys. It's white and the fuchsia color. This dries in a beautiful pink, dark pink. After that, I took my air dry clay to make this little stuff on the end. It's just a little clay around, to look nice. If you look at the reference picture, the actual one has this. I painted this one with the nice pink salmon, and it was fine. After that, we're gonna wrap around our ribbons. Just follow my lead here. I just wrapped one ribbon around like this, and the second one exactly the same way, so it would be a crisscross. And then I just put a bow on there. I just put a bow. I made a bow out of this and just put it on there. Okay, now, sorry guys, I sketched out on the fleece these nice wings. It took a lot of tries to get the wings right, let me tell you that much. And I just stuck them up with some glue. After that, I made another diamond for the top, and for the bottom I used two little diamond shapes along with some hot glue and just painted it. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I love you all so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment and tell me what you think.